Solutions of questions on page number 51. Read the first stanza and think, is McCavity a cat really? If not, who can McCavity be? And the answer is no, McCavity is not a cat really. McCavity is just a fictional character created by the poet whose actions resemble those of a crooks. Complete the following sentences. A master criminal is a one who Scotland Yard is bafflement because because McCavity moves much faster than them. So the answers are a master criminal is one who can defy the law. The Scotland Yard is baffled because whenever they reach the scene of crime, they can't find McCavity. Nobody can catch McCavity at the scene of crime because McCavity moves much faster than them. A cat, I am sure, could walk on a cloud without coming through. Which law is McCavity breaking in the light of the comment above? In the light of the above comment, McCavity is breaking the law of gravity. Read stanza 3 and then describe McCavity in 2 or 3 sentences of your own. McCavity is a ginger cat who is very tall and thin with sunken eyes and brow deeply lined with thought. While his head is highly domed, its coat is dusty and whiskers are uncombed. It sways its head from side to side and it is always wide awake even when one thinks that it is half asleep. Say false and true for each of the following statements. McCavity is not an ordinary cat. True. McCavity can't do what a fakir can easily do. False. McCavity's power of levitation would make a fakir stare in disbelief. McCavity has supernatural powers. True. McCavity is well dressed, smart, and bright. False. McCavity is not well dressed and its coat is dusty. Out of neglect, its eyes are sunken in and not bright. McCavity is a spy, trickster, and criminal all rolled in one. True. Having read the poem, try to guess whether the poet is fond of cats. If so, why does he call McCavity a fiend and monster? Yes, it seems that the poet is fond of cats. He calls McCavity a fiend and a monster because he might have wanted to portray an evil side. He might have used cat in order to create a negative character who is criminal and escapes easily from police. The quick movements of a cat and its mysterious eyes might have influenced him to create this evil character in the form of a cat. Has the poet used exaggeration for special effect? Find a few examples of it and read those lines aloud. Yes, the poet has used exaggerations such as the cat's defiance of gravity and its being called a monster of depravity and a feline in order to enhance the mystery surrounding the cat. Since the cat is shown to be super fast as nobody from the Scotland Yard to the flying squad can catch it on the scene of crime. These exaggerations have been used by Eliot to lay stress on the monstrous as well as surprising and mysterious nature of McCavity. Examples is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir's chair. He is fine in a feline shape, a monster of depravity. Now let's discuss some extra question answers. What is the most remarkable thing about McCavity? McCavity, known as the mystery cat, has defied all laws. He even defies the law of gravity. He possesses supernatural powers which allow him to levitate up in the air. He is so suave in his manner that whenever the crime is discovered, McCavity disappears without leaving a single trace. Explain his power of levitation would make a fakir stare. The fakirs are ascetics who possess supernatural powers and perform miracles and levitation. Eliot says that McCavity also possesses such powers which can outdo a fakir. The way he rises up in the air and escapes is beyond a fakir's imagination. Describe McCavity. McCavity is a tall and a thin ginger cat whose eyebrows are deep with lines. He has sunken eyes, which gives him a fine look. His coat is untidy and his whiskers are uncombed. He moves his head from side to side and his body movement is like that of a snake. McCavity is also known as hidden paw. Why? McCavity is also known as hidden paw because of its secretive nature. After committing a crime, it escaped so smartly and mysteriously that investigators have never traced the marks of his paws. Thank you.